Hey, what's going on, guys? Think you can hear me now. Yeah, this is Mark. We were went out flying the. I bought a brand new Typhoon H Pro, and went out today to fly it. I didn't get it up very high. I got it about 150 feet, as you can see here, and yeah, it was okay. It was we had real windy. We got some rain and stuff. As you can see, it was cloudy, and all that. And then I got my Mavic Pro out, and I had a SD card issue. It kept saying SD card error. Um, so I got a bunch of SD card. I got like 32 gigs, 16 gigs. But the cards that I got now are those extreme 32 gig cards, and the one I was using in the Typhoon Pro uh, was the extreme, what you're seeing now. Um, I love the Typhoon Pro, man. That is a beautiful drone, man. I love it. It's pretty quick to get it started. Once you're up in the air, you got to hit the switch, the legs fold up, and the camera 360 degrees with the camera. I love it, and it takes good videos. I did a couple of pictures, um, and it does pretty good. Um, I got a friend Jerry. He's a ham radio operator in 4DRR, I believe. Jerry, if you see this, I apologize if I got your call wrong. But I don't know if he's got the Pro model, because they got the Typhoon H and they got the Typhoon H Pro. And I went with the Pro. That was the newest one. There goes the legs down now. I'm fixing to land. Or I guess I am. I was trying to. Carolina Drones sent me a pad that I can take off and land on. And that's what I take off on, because especially with the Mavic Pro, because it sits low. And so I was trying to I was trying to land my Typhoon H Pro on the pad, but it was so windy. As you can see, that's my best friend right there holding the camera. I was trying to get it on that pad, but it was so windy, and then I had to turn the camera around to face the front so I can put the guard back on. So yeah, we're gonna get some more videos. The weather here has just been crappy, just plain, just bleh. The sun was out today. It felt good, but as soon as we got the drones out, I've got the Typhoon H Pro, I got the Typhoon Q500 4K, and I've got a Mavic Pro. I love all of them. I went to Best Buy and I went and got a P4 Pro. I was going to get the P4, the Phantom P4 Pro Plus, but they didn't have any. Well, I got home. There I go, fixing to land it here. I got home. I'm about to run out of video, but anyway, I got home and the battery was bad. I took it back, got another one, battery bad in it. Got the advanced model because they didn't have no more pros. The controller was bad on it, so I got the Typhoon. But anyway, see y'all guys later. Y'all have a good day.